Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the DMA ADX indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the DMA ADX indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 324 indicators, and out of those 324 indicators, 133 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 133 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the DMA ADX indicator. It's a modified version of the standard ADX, and basically what we have is, you can kind of call it a zero line cross, even though it's not at the 0, it's actually at the 30, and so the dashed line, the red dashed line here, there it is. A little bit thicker there. So the red dash line here is at the 30 level, and then we have the ADX line itself. And so what we are looking for is the line to cross down. When the line crosses down, that is a signal to go short. When the line crosses up above the dashed line, then that is going to be a signal to go long. And so pretty simple setup, not a whole lot to it. Tested indicators like this many times before, so let's go ahead and get on with it here. So the first cross takes place right there. It's going to be a long signal there. And let's see. So it looks like we may have gotten a dump. Nope, looks like it barely missed our stop. Let's see here. So we have, calculate this out real quick here. We have the open of this candle at let's see where we at. 1.6868, and our stop is 165 pips. Let's see. And so with a stop of 165 pips, we'd be looking at 1.6703 area would be our stop area. And it looks like the low was 1.6675, so it definitely jumped down farther than we wanted it to there, and so that one would have stopped us out. Then over here on this side, we pick up a short on, yep, this one right here. Looks like that one's going to stop us out rather quickly as well. Let's go ahead and continue on with it here. And you see that it actually ended up going down reasonably far there, even though we got stopped out. That's always a shame when pick up a signal, get stopped out at a heavy pullback, and then the indicator continues on, or the pair continues on in the direction you wanted it to go in. So we pick up a long signal right there. Unfortunately, that one is also going to get us stopped out. And we pick up a short right there. Looks like this one might work out in our favor. There to there, we stayed within our stop level, and we did end up getting a little push to the downside here, getting us to take profit. Then we pick up a long over here on this side. That one's not going to work out for us. Short over here. Also, let's double check that one just to be safe. We did get a decent little pullback right here. We're looking for 110 pips. So that one did get us to take profit. There. Continue on with it here. Almost to the end of the year already. And that is it there. Looks like we're not going to pick up another one. So before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find the link to our Patreon down below in the description. Super duper cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. In the Patreon only channel on our Discord server, posting a lot of good advanced information about Forex trading, trading in general, philosophies, stuff like that. We also have a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators for the MT platforms that our admin Jay has scrounged up for us, built out that list. And so if you use the MT platforms quite often instead of TradingView, then that would be a really good list to get your hands on as well. Our admins and some of the regular members are posting regular trade ideas, outlining and posting charts, markups and support and resistance and so on, showing you exactly the ideal market conditions you should be looking for if you're trying to dial in a trading strategy, or if you're just kind of trying to train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions, or if you're just trying to take some trades and just get used to taking some trades and the market conditions for those. They're growing small accounts rather quickly, posting earning results and stuff like that. Really, really cool stuff in there. I highly recommend it, even if you're an advanced trader and just want to be around some like-minded people. Again, wonderful place to be. Very positive, uplifting environment. So back to the indicator here. We're going to scrunch this in here, and not a whole lot to see. Obviously, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades 6 trades altogether, and only 2 winning trades. And so that definitely is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Yeah, this indicator just really was not getting the job done. And so it was a nice thought, but just didn't quite work out. And so this one's definitely going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.